stop. Before you continue watching, ask yourself this. When was the last time you sat down to do one thing and actually finished it? No switching, no checking your phone, no, just one quick scroll? Exactly. Last night, you told yourself, tomorrow I'll lock in. You even imagined it, waking up early, laptop open, focused, sharp, dangerous. But then morning came. You opened your laptop and somehow ended up watching a random video about something you don't even care about. And in the back of your mind there was that voice. Why am I like this? What's wrong with me? Nothing's wrong with you, that's the problem. You don't have a focus problem. You have a training problem, because every single day you rehearse distraction without even realizing it. Checking your phone mid-task, switching tabs every 2 minutes, running away the second something feels hard. You think it's harmless, but it's not. You're literally conditioning your brain to quit. Be honest, you've sat there before, staring at your work, not even doing anything, just staring. And your brain goes, this is boring, let's check something quickly, I'll come back. But you never come back the same. Something shifts. Your focus fragments. And here's the part most people never realize, that moment, that tiny decision, that's where you lose everything. People love to say, just be more disciplined. But that's lazy advice, because discipline doesn't fail you, your environment does, your habits do. You've surrounded yourself with instant dopamine, fast videos, endless scrolling, constant noise, and then you expect your brain to enjoy slow, difficult work. That's like feeding your body sugar all day and then wondering why vegetables taste bad. Imagine this, your attention is a spotlight, but right now it's not focused, it's shaking, flickering, jumping. Every notification pulls it, every thought hijacks it. So instead of cutting through something deeply, you're just grazing the surface of everything. And surface level effort gets surface level results. Here's what nobody warns you about. If you don't fix this, you won't just struggle a bit. You'll slowly become someone who can't finish things. Ideas will stay half done, projects will be abandoned, opportunities will be missed. Not because you're not capable, but because you can't stay long enough to turn potential into reality. And that's a dangerous place to live. So the real question isn't, how do I focus? The real question is, why does your brain run the moment things get quiet? Because focus forces you to face something you've been avoiding, silence, stillness, your own thoughts. No distractions, no escape, just you sitting there realizing how uncomfortable it is to be alone with your mind. So you reach for noise, not because you need it, but because you can't tolerate what happens without it. So forget grinding harder. Start here instead. Make distraction inconvenient, not, I'll try not to use my phone, no, physically remove it, because you're not weak, you're just too close to temptation, and proximity destroys intention every time. Then shrink the battlefield. Don't aim for hours. Sit down and say, for the next 20 minutes, I don't move. No switching, no escaping. And when it starts to feel uncomfortable, good, that's the exact moment your brain is being rewired. And boredom, stop treating it like an enemy. Boredom is the doorway. On the other side of it is the version of you that actually gets things done, but most people never walk through it, they turn back the second it gets quiet. So here's the truth you can't ignore. Every time you escape discomfort, you train yourself to stay average. And every time you sit through it, you build someone who doesn't quit. The question is, when it gets quiet next time, who are you training?